small business owners, this is how you're going to be able to earn almost 2 million American Express points in 6 months. Welcome back to the Miles and Points channel. My name is Steve, and our mission here is to share ideas with you on how we can earn more credit card miles and points, and maybe even earn a bit of extra cash on the side. My name is Steve. I'm just your average guy who doesn't really have any special set of skills. And so my goal for this year is to earn over $50,000 as well as earn over 1 million credit card miles and points on the side. All of this is going to be accomplished through side hustles, not from my day job. And I just want to be able to prove to everybody here on YouTube that if I can do it, you can do it too. In today's very short video, I want to show you an option for small business owners to take advantage of a new American Express offers that just came out on some of its business credit cards. American Express has cards that are for both personal use if you're an individual, as well as if you're a business owner, and you can sign up for 2 different types of credit cards. So for example, the American Express Gold has a personal variant as well as a business variant. For personal, it's based on restaurants and groceries, while on the business side, it gives you spending bonuses for office supplies, shipping, and other things. So recently I logged on to the American Express site and I was taking a look at my Amex Offers. Amex Offers is a program created by Amex to offer you certain discounts for using your card at particular vendors or stores. And sometimes they also offer what is called authorized user bonuses for adding new users to your credit card. So for example, if I wanted to add my brother to my card, I can open a card in his name under my own credit card master account, and he'll be able to spend on it and I'll reap the benefits of the points. On 2 of my cards, I saw something really interesting, an authorized user bonus, where Amex was offering to give me a bunch of points if I added an authorized user and they spent a certain amount on that card within 6 months. I've been targeted for these types of offers in the past, and I've added my brother, I've added my partner, I've added my parents, and had them spend on the card to get extra points. This one was particularly interesting because the terms of this bonus was that if I spent $2,000 on an authorized user card, American Express would give me 20,000 points for doing so, or about 10 points per dollar spent on the card. That's already a really great offer, so it seemed like a no-brainer to add some authorized users on this card. Now, you're probably asking yourself, okay, that's great. I have a small business. I have the Amex business credit card. I've been targeted for the offer, but where is this 2 million point offer coming from? So what's really interesting here is that Amex states that you can add a maximum of 99 different authorized users on your card. And specifically for a business credit card, you don't have to add the social security number of that person. So how did I take advantage of this? I called into American Express onto their customer support line, and I had the representative add 99 authorized users under my name. So I added Steven 1, Steven 2, Steven 3, all the way up to 99. And what's going to happen is they're going to ship me all of those cards so I can spend that amount. So if you add up everything, I'm going to have to spend $2,000 on every single one of my authorized user cards within 6 months. That's almost $200,000 worth of spend during that time. But as a result, I'm also going to earn almost 2 million points from this offer. Add on top of that, I also have regular spend bonuses on my credit card as well. One of the cards that I was targeted on, the American Express Business Platinum, would give me 1 point per dollar spent on top of this 10 point per dollar spent. So I would get 11 points per dollar. On my other business credit card, the American Express Blue Business Plus, I get 2 points per dollar spent on everything up to $50,000 per year and 1 point per dollar spent afterwards. So that means on the first $50,000 of spend, I'm going to earn 12 points per dollar based on these offers from my authorized user cards. I can generate 600,000 points just for spending that $50,000. You're probably also asking yourself, wow, that's crazy. How am I going to be able to spend almost $200,000 over the next 6 months? For most people, that is nearly impossible, but we're talking about small business owners here. You guys are always spending on shipping, postage, goods for your store, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars. So a lot of you are probably thinking, wow, that's actually very feasible. I can do this too. For me personally, I'm going to be leveraging a lot of my manufactured spending techniques to get as close as possible to the $200,000 worth of spend. Granted, I'm probably not going to hit that number, but even if I spend $10,000, I'm going to be able to earn 120,000 points for that across 5 different users. So it's almost a no-brainer for me to at least sign up and add some authorized users as much as possible and then take advantage of that spend. So what do you think of this Amex technique? Were you targeted for the offer? Comment below, and if you enjoyed this content, just remember to hit like on the video, click subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next one. Take care.